family. Yeah, just kind of having a pity party, I guess. And, I ended up writing this song, and I think I'm going to call it Freedom. So I'll play as well as I can. You guys listen, I guess. All right, here we go. Seems like every song I sing you is so simple. See, that rings true though, 'cause loving you's the same as breathing air. You've never made me worship at your temple, and you sure as shit ain't never made me question that you care. Back when I was younger, I had a yearning and a hunger that I guess I never squeltered in my youth. I was gonna go adventure, never knew I'd be indentured to a dollar, dragging dirt across the truth. And I can barely pick a guitar, and I can barely hold a tune, and I'm barely holding on to the dreams of me and you. And we'll barely make the mortgage, babe, that ain't nothing new. If you can bear to hold me tight tonight, I know we'll make it through. I smile as my mind takes me back when Daddy drove the wagon out through a dusty, dry West Texas drought where we were freer than a bird. He only played 2 worn-out tapes, a Merlin, Willie, Bob, and Hank, and my soul still stamped with every single word. Freedom lives inside a cell, open space, or live in hell, 'cause freedom is the way that we respond. People take and people kill, but people cannot break your will when freedom is the only thing you got. And I can barely pick a guitar, and I can barely hold a tune, and I'm barely holding on to the dreams of me and you. And we'll barely make the mortgage, babe, but that ain't nothing new. If you can bear to hold me tight tonight,